shark tooth kit. It's small, but it will have shark tooths. It looks like there's 3, but I'm wondering if there's more. Let's open it up. Okay, we have one little one that's not even cool, but there may be the 3.
There's a plate to put it on.
Okay, we're gonna get some longer. This thing's not been breaking a little somewhere.
No, it's working.
Oh, guys, I just found something. The water is literally a blob.
Yeah,
So that makes flat. It deserved it. Where is it? It's working. Can you usually move it? Yes, you guys. Probably buy this for 8 when your kids turn 8 or 5. Yes, or just help them break it. This thing is short. Oh, guys, maybe I found my first shark tooth. Where is it? Viewers. Doesn't that look like a shark tooth? That's a shark tooth, guys. I knew it was being in the shark. Let's keep digging for it.
Yeah.
It's like, look how big is that? It's like so giant. This one is gonna be the next one. That one, the first one, doesn't really look like it. But we're gonna find the one I haven't found. So yeah, it was in the mouth. The other one has to be close. Guys, I maybe have found the shark tooth. I don't know how big it is. It looks like, oh, that's a big one. Should I try to take it out carefully?
Yeah, very gently scrape away at it.
I got all 3 shark tooths. Look how much jets. It's like, look at them. First one we found that one. That one's the first one. That one's the second one, and that one's the third one. And even that one, I found that first one, that's second one, and that's the third one. I'm gonna wash these off and then show you guys. 1 minute. Okay, this is what they really do look like. They look so cool, right? it's been a very fun day. I hope you really liked this video. It took forever to find this. She's off and see the beauty of these. If you want to see another, if you see me with another video, probably one of these shark tooths are gonna be one of my necklaces. I'm gonna brush them up. Peace out. See ya. I go a 10 out of 10.